For centuries, aloe vera has held a revered place in traditional medicine, celebrated for its remarkable healing properties. This succulent plant, with its fleshy leaves containing a gel-like substance, has transcended time, finding its way into modern health and wellness practices. From soothing burns and moisturizing skin to potentially aiding in various health conditions, aloe vera's versatility continues to captivate and intrigue. Join us as we delve into the science-backed benefits of this botanical marvel and explore how you can incorporate its power into your daily life. Aloe vera's therapeutic potential stems from its rich composition of over 75 active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, antioxidants, and amino acids. These compounds work together to create a powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The gel inside the aloe vera leaf is particularly prized for its soothing and healing properties. This unique blend works synergistically to provide a wide range of health benefits. From topical applications to internal consumption, aloe vera offers versatile uses that can enhance overall well-being. Whether it's applied to the skin to heal wounds and burns, or ingested to support digestive health, aloe vera's benefits are extensive and well documented. While research is ongoing, studies suggest that aloe vera may help with various health issues. Scientists are continually discovering new ways in which aloe vera can be beneficial. For instance, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are being explored for their potential to combat chronic diseases and improve immune function. Weight management. Some studies indicate that aloe vera may support weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing fat absorption. The natural enzymes in aloe vera help break down fats and sugars in the diet, making it easier for the body to process and eliminate them. Additionally, aloe vera juice can act as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse the digestive system and promote a healthy weight. Blood sugar control. Preliminary evidence suggests that aloe vera may help lower blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with type 2 diabetes. The plant's compounds may enhance insulin sensitivity and improve blood glucose management. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice has been linked to better blood sugar control, making it a promising natural supplement for those managing diabetes. Digestive support. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe digestive discomfort such as heartburn, irritable bowel syndrome, and constipation. The gel's natural laxative effect can aid in regular bowel movements, while its soothing properties can reduce inflammation in the gut. Drinking aloe vera juice or adding it to smoothies can be an effective way to support digestive health and alleviate common gastrointestinal issues. Skin health. Aloe vera is widely known for its skin healing properties. It can be used to treat a variety of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. The gel's moisturizing and anti-inflammatory effects make it an excellent remedy for dry or irritated skin. Applying aloe vera gel to sunburns can provide immediate relief and speed up the healing process. Its ability to stimulate collagen production also makes it a popular ingredient in anti-aging skincare products. Immune system support. Aloe vera contains several compounds that can boost the immune system. Its antioxidants help protect the body from free radicals, while its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the risk of infections. Regular consumption of aloe vera juice or supplements can enhance overall immune function, making the body more resilient to illnesses. Overall, wellness incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can contribute to overall wellness. Whether used in skincare, as a dietary supplement, or as a natural remedy for various ailments, aloe vera offers a holistic approach to health. Its versatility and wide range of benefits make it a valuable addition to any health regimen. Aloe vera has earned its reputation as a skincare superstar. Its gel is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and supple. Furthermore, aloe vera possesses anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it an effective remedy for various skin conditions, including psoriasis. Aloe vera can help reduce redness, itching, and scaling associated with psoriasis. Acne. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects can help control acne outbreaks and reduce inflammation. Burns. Aloe vera is renowned for its ability to soothe and heal burns, including sunburns. The benefits of aloe vera extend beyond skincare. It's also a boon for hair health. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, aloe vera can nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote hair growth. Here's how it works. Scalp health. Aloe vera's antifungal and antibacterial properties can help combat dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Hair growth. It contains enzymes that promote healthy hair growth and may even prevent hair loss. Hair conditioning. Aloe vera can act as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Aloe vera for internal harmony. Beyond its topical applications, aloe vera can be ingested to promote internal well-being. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that aloe vera may offer the following benefits. Aloe vera may help lower LDL or bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Its antibacterial properties can promote oral hygiene and help fight gum disease. Aloe vera contains antioxidants that can strengthen the immune system. Aloe vera in your daily routine. Simple and effective. Integrating aloe vera into your daily life is easier than you might think. Here are some practical ways to incorporate this healing plant into your routine. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to sunburned skin for instant relief. Mix a small amount of aloe vera gel with your favorite moisturizer for added hydration. Apply aloe vera gel to your hair and scalp as a nourishing hair mask. Choosing the right aloe vera product. With the increasing popularity of aloe vera, the market is flooded with various products. To reap the maximum benefits, it's essential to choose high-quality products. Look for products that contain 100% pure aloe vera gel, free from additives and fragrances. Choose organically grown aloe vera to avoid exposure to pesticides and herbicides. Purchase from trusted brands known for their quality and purity. A word of caution: understanding potential side effects. We will delve into the potential side effects of using aloe vera, a popular natural remedy known for its soothing and healing properties. While aloe vera is generally considered safe for most people, it is important to be aware of the possible adverse reactions that some individuals may experience. While generally safe for most people, aloe vera can cause side effects in some individuals. These may include skin irritation, digestive issues, and drug interactions. Understanding these potential side effects can help you use aloe vera more safely and effectively. Skin irritation. Some people may experience redness, itching, or a burning sensation when applying aloe vera topically. This is more likely to occur in individuals with sensitive skin or allergies to plants in the Liliaceae family. If you notice any discomfort or unusual reactions, it is best to discontinue use immediately. It's always advisable to do a patch test before using it on a larger area. To perform a patch test, apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to a small patch of skin, such as the inside of your wrist or elbow, and wait for 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. This simple test can help you avoid potential skin irritation. Digestive issues. Consuming large amounts of aloe vera orally can lead to diarrhea, stomach cramps, or an electrolyte imbalance. This is because aloe vera contains compounds called anthraquinones, which have a laxative effect. It is important to use aloe vera products as directed and to avoid excessive consumption. Drug interactions. Aloe vera may interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and diabetes medications. If you are taking any prescription or over-the-counter medications, it is crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before using aloe vera. They can help you determine if aloe vera is safe for you, and if any adjustments to your medication regimen are necessary. In conclusion, while aloe vera offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to be aware of its potential side effects. By understanding these risks and taking appropriate precautions, you can safely enjoy the benefits of this versatile plant. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions about using aloe vera. Aloe vera, a testament to nature's healing touch. Throughout history, aloe vera has earned its place as a potent natural remedy, and modern science continues to unravel its remarkable healing properties. From soothing burns and promoting skin health to potentially aiding in weight management and boosting immunity, aloe vera's versatility is a testament to nature's remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate. Frequently asked questions about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a versatile plant known for its numerous health and skincare benefits. We will address some of the most common questions people have about using aloe vera. Question: can you use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant? Answer: yes, you can use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant. However, ensure you clean the leaf thoroughly before extracting the gel. This is crucial to remove any dirt or bacteria that might be on the surface of the leaf. Once cleaned, you can cut the leaf open and scoop out the gel. This gel can be applied directly to the skin or used in various DIY skincare recipes. Question: is it safe to drink aloe vera juice? Answer: while aloe vera juice offers potential health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Aloe vera juice is known for its digestive benefits and can help with issues like constipation and acid reflux. However, drinking too much can lead to adverse effects such as diarrhea or abdominal cramps. It's always best to start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the intake if needed. This allows your body to adjust and helps you avoid any potential side effects. Typically, 1 to 2 ounces per day is a good starting point. Question: should you consult a healthcare provider before drinking aloe vera juice? Answer: yes, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating aloe vera juice into your daily routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. This is particularly important for individuals who are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications, as aloe vera juice can interact with certain drugs and conditions. Question: how should you store aloe vera gel? Answer: store pure aloe vera gel in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator to preserve its freshness and potency. Keeping it in a dark cabinet or the refrigerator helps to extend its shelf life and maintain its beneficial properties. If stored properly, aloe vera gel can last for several weeks. Always use a clean container to avoid contamination and ensure the gel remains effective for your skincare needs. Embrace the power of aloe vera. As we've explored, aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds with a wide array of health benefits. Whether you're seeking to soothe a sunburn, enhance your skincare routine, or potentially support your overall well-being, consider incorporating this versatile plant into your life. Embrace the power of aloe vera and experience the transformative effects of nature's healing touch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural health videos like these.